Hey guys, what's up? It's Viking, and today, by the title, of course, you guys know that. Oh, I dropped it. I'm sorry, guys. I have to show you guys with this because I had a delay on my order, my real order. Yeah, guys. So the first trick that I am going to teach you is I don't know what a combo is, but here's moving fast motion, guys. That's how it looks, guys, and this is how you do it, guys. Want to do a Zen rollover. Wait, guys. And you're obviously going to want to catch it. Do the exact same thing. Close it normally. Wait, guys. Want to do go like this. Catch it. And then you're going to want to. And wait, guys. And wait, guys. And catch it. And then want to do the opposite. Wait, guys. Okay, guys. It should be better. Okay, guys. So this is how the trick is going to look. Wait, guys. Now that I'm right here. Wait, guys. Look, guys. Then roll over. I forgot what this was called. Well, I'm a noob. I don't know why I do that, but okay, guys. Remember, guys. Then roll over, close it, throw it, catch it, spin it all around, then do the exact same thing. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys, and see you guys next time.